All done. Day's finished. Did 17 kilometers progress in really steep hills, mountains. I mean, locals don't call them mountains; they just call them big hills. To me, they are mountains, 500 meters tall. To me, it's like tiny mountain, but still a mountain. Yeah, and yeah, having my tea. Always amazing to have a tea, warm tea, after a long day of hike. You know, when you're using no sleeping bag during the night and you have the case of it empty, lying around for no reason, just stuff it with your clothes, and that's a really nice pillow. Incredible. In my case, I'm using 2 sleeping bags, so I could make 2 pillows. I might do it. Yeah, ideas just coming in after dinner. Sorry, forgot to say night night, motherfuckers.